Welcome back to my channel. So here I'm just showing you that I'm separating my edges, and I'm separating my edges because I did not want to braid them into the straight backs because I did not want them to be pulled. I'm newly natural, so I'm trying to preserve my edges as much as I can. So I just have some regular cornrows going right here. They're just all going to the back. Nothing fancy. The braids aren't really all that, tight, but that's okay. So I have my regular crochet needle, and then I've got this hair that I'm really dying to try out. It's from Motown Tress. It's a value pack. It comes 18, 20, and 22 inches, and it's the Senegal twist braids. They come already looped for you, and it's 3 different lengths, so I'm really excited about that. Next, I have some regular color hair. It's also loops too. It didn't come in a value pack, but I just thought some color would be nice to put inside there. Then I have the gold beads that you put on the twists, to just make it really, really stand out and shine. This is the way the twist looks, and at the very end, there's a loop that you can stick the crochet needle into. Okay, so now I'm going to get started. I'm just separating my edges again and putting all of the bobby pins onto my edges, and from there I'm just going to begin crocheting the hair onto my braids. Yeah, guys, so off camera, I let the scarf sit for about 5 to 10 minutes just to lay my edges down. And then I just let it sit, and I took the scarf off, as you can see me right now. I'm putting my hair back down because it's time to put the golden beads on to my hair, just to give it that finished, flawless look. These beads were only $1 a pack, and it came like, probably 10 to 15 inside of a pack. So that's really good for me. I put them all around my head, as you'll see soon. And this is the final product. I absolutely love the way this came out. The twist is so soft. I can part it any way I want to and wear the hair any style I want to, just as if it were Senegalese that were attached to my head instead of to the braids, the regular way. So I'm really loving this look. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'm just showing you the back of my head right now. I'll put any tips or any techniques that I did down in the description box below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.